Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, step rails, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2015 Tacoma stands the test of time and provides a considerable measure of utility for buyers who don't need the towing and hauling abilities of the Goliaths. This Tacoma has 16-inch tiled steel wheels with all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare, splash guards, and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tacoma is in great condition. It has auto-off aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps along with fog lights, a tow hook, and a really nice grille to surround it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Tacoma has 4-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 18 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this Tacoma only has 54,980 miles on it. At the back of the Tacoma, you can see the cargo lamp, the sliding rear window, and the tow package, along with the step bumper, large LED brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. In the back seat, you'll notice this Tacoma has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders as well as the door bins. Seats fold up for more cargo space as needed, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Tacoma is also equipped with an in-dash storage, dome lighting, and floor mats. Here are the easy-to-use controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and the power windows with Driver Express down. This Tacoma has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have large climate control, and everything you see is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.